So, let's learn how to make a buying thingy. Okay, so first, where is it? Ah, there it is. You gotta, put something like this. And then, something like this. This over here is the currency. You type the name of your default, the name of your currency, equals, and then the amount of currency you have at the beginning of the game. Then, for items, you have to put default, the name of the item equals false. Because it's, you don't have it if you don't have it at the beginning. So let's add a new item. Default, I don't fucking know, flowers, fuck, equals false. And make sure that it starts with a capital F, because otherwise Renpy doesn't read it for some reason, I don't fucking know. Now, we add to the menu the flowers. And how much we want to pay for it, so that the player knows, how much it costs. I'm gonna put 50 rubies. Jump. Rubies, flowers. For fuck's sake. Now I'm gonna leave this over here in the description. I'm gonna leave, excuse me, for the stuttering. Anyways, I'm gonna copy that piece of text, and let's change this to Ruby's flowers. So, flowers. If rubies equals 50, this over here is the if statement for this. By the way, I apologize for being horrible at explaining. We put flowers true, because you bought the flowers. And rubies will minus 50. And the shop owner will say thanks for the rubies, and we go to jump shop more. And by the way, I will and if you're doing what I'm doing, then make sure to put the, where is it, shop more. Oh, I forgot to put it over here. Boom. Now let's test it out. I want to go to the store, and we have the flowers option. Now, by default, we have rubies equals 200. So let's buy the flowers, and thanks for the rubies. Now, we have 150. There we go. I'm gonna buy all the flowers, and now we have 0. And now, the shop owner will say you don't have enough rubies. So yeah, that's how you make a shop in Renpy. Bye!